Hey everyone! I don't know about you, but I often check out Instagram Reels and TikToks and YouTube Shorts looking for audio engineering tips and tricks. I thought it would be really cool to check out one that I've seen, so let's take a look. Today's tip comes from Aubrey Whitfield, a music producer based in London, and she's going through the process of balancing a mix with pink noise. As a quick recap, if you don't know, pink noise is all frequencies at equal power across the spectrum. When we use pink noise to get our balance, it's training our ears of here is how our ears are hearing, and as you slowly bring stuff up and just barely hear it through the noise, what you're going to do is create a more naturally sounded, balanced mix. This has its pros and cons, but if you want to see what I'm talking about, here's just a little snippet because mixing with pink noise can be irritating. You can see as I'm mixing with pink noise, not only is the noise constant, but what I'm trying to do, just like Aubrey showed in her video, is just barely hear whatever source I'm working on. When I'm done with that source, I mute it, leave the fader where it is, and I move on to the next one. And I just keep working down the line from there. Can't hear something? Just replay the section, crank it real loud, and then just dial it into place from there. How does this sound compared to just doing it by ear? Well, the only way to do that is to mix this twice, and that's exactly what I did. Earlier in the day today, when my ears were nice and fresh, I just sat down with a track that we've worked with before, and I said, you know what? Take everything off. We are just going to do a balance, and I'm going to do it by ear. Then a couple hours later, after I got some rest, I turned on the pink noise and started with a blank slate again, and just put things to where I could just barely hear them, just like Aubrey said in her video. Now, let's take a listen to how these two things sound in two different parts of the songs, because I think that that's going to show you a lot. I'm going to start off with the chorus in this song. The song is called Never Let You Go. The chorus in this song is strictly instrumental. There's some vocal elements, but it's not like a lead vocal going. You can see right now that it's going to go back and forth. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments. This is section A. Do you like number 1 or number 2 better? Take a listen. So that was section A, the chorus, which is mostly instrumental, and you heard some of the vocal elements. Now I think what we're going to do is jump over to the verse that follows that chorus, because this can really show you where your ears versus noise kind of shows you where the balances are. Take a listen to this verse, and again, let me know. Section B, do you like 1 or 2 better?
I wish that you could see what I see. You're so much stronger than what you think.
So there you go. That was section B. Let me know in the comments, did you like 1 or 2? The orange, the pink, just however you want to let me know down in the comments. What did you prefer for either part of the song? Now, of course, from here, this is supposed to be a starting point. So you can then go in and do your EQ, your compression, anything else you need to do. What you just heard was strictly a fader balance mix and a little bit of panning here and there. No other processing. Now I should probably let you know what I heard. Don't get me wrong, I love the low end that I'm getting from the pink noise mix. It's helping me make sure that it's nice and full, but it's almost too much at some points. And that's where we can just kind of go in and adjust after the fact. You take the pink noise off, listen to everything, and then readjust as needed. But it's a great starting point. But then you can also hear where with my ears and my mix, that stuff was kind of already accounted for. It was put into position based on where I thought it needed to go. There's pros and cons to both. Mine is definitely not better than the other one. They both have their pluses. So let me know down in the comments, which did you prefer, and have you tried the pink noise method before? Huge shout out to Aubrey Whitfield. Thanks for sharing this on your Instagram. Make sure you go follow her. While you're doing that, follow Tim Talks Audio. There's going to be more stuff over there. And until the next one, happy mixing, and I hope you learned something. Thanks.